Hey guys, so today I'm going to share a super easy vegan hot chocolate. This is something that I honestly make on a daily basis. I'm going to share with you guys the ingredients that I use and how I make it. Of course, this is a single serving, so you're going to need a mug. You're also going to need maple syrup. I typically get mine from BJ's, Costco, or Sam's Club because it's more bang for my buck. This is optional. You're going to also need vanilla extract and some cacao powder. And then of course you're going to need milk, and this is the milk that I'm using. You're going to need dairy-free milk. In a saucepan, you're going to add about 1.5 cups of milk. You don't want to bring the vegan milk to a boil, but what you do want to do is make sure that it's at the desired temp that you want it at. So I just usually leave it on the stove on medium high for a couple of minutes. And all you're going to do is pour about half of the milk into your cup. As you can see, it's not full at all. I like to have about maybe 1/4 cup of the milk inside of the mug. And all you need about 1 tablespoon of the cacao powder. And all you do is mix it. I like to use a plastic measuring spoon just because it doesn't like scratch up the glassware that I'm using. So once thoroughly combined, you add the maple syrup, 1 tablespoon,